Hey, 3 reasons you should rent 6122 Oak Hill Drive today. Here in Sykesville, number 1 is location. You're in Sykesville, Maryland, small town feel, close to all major routes and shopping, next to Patapsco Park. We got a huge backyard with a screened-in patio to come and eat all your crabs on. And the 3rd reason, I think you need to take a look. Thanks again for coming out and taking a tour. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2 half baths, a 2-car garage on 2 fully finished levels. Don't forget to hit that like and share button. If I can help you buy, sell, rent, invest, you're looking to join a team, give me a holler.